This is the Unit 12 pretest. Number 1, a word that means definite is A, uncertain, B, efficient, C, practical, or D, precise. Number 2, another word for inhibit is A, apply, B, allow, C, obstruct, or D, begin. Number 3, a restriction is A, tragedy, B, limitation, C, phenomenon, or D, freedom. Number 4, another word for utilize is A, assist, B, save, C, employ, or D, help. Number 5, an obstacle is in A, regulation, B, privilege, C, advantage, or D, barrier. Number 6, another word for adequate is A, satisfactory, B, useless, C, inferior, or D, complex. Number 7, another word for initiate is A, conclude, B, conserve, C, launch, or D, delay. Number 8, a word that means essential is A, required, B, unimportant, C, particular, or D, acceptable. Number 9, another word for incident is A, exercise, B, miracle, C, condition, or D, disaster. Number 10, a word that means massive is A, substantial, B, intense, C, adequate, or D, little. Number 11, another word for aid is A, initiate, B, facilitate, C, detain, or B, terminate. And number 12, a word that means efficient is A, wasteful, B, productive, C, questionable, or D, vital.